All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV model. It's beautiful white with tan interior. That's right, white with tan interior. Premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, roof racks, alloy wheels. Super nice. 21,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Let's have a little chippy here, another one here. That's about it. Your hood looks pretty good, a little chippy there. That's about it, really. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is at 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 6/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, all that, all that good stuff, that's working. Got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below it is dual AC controls. Got your heated seats back here. Boom, boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 21,878. Super nice. Unlock everything. Here is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Keep it moving. Rear bumper, we got a little chippy here, another one next to it, another one there, another one there. Got a few chips here. On the deck lid, looks like it has a little cracking here. Probably fix it with some Bondo or something. But there you go, what it looks like. That's about 6 inches. 6-inch crack right there. The rest of it looks pretty decent, and underneath we look pretty good. I don't see any damages here. All right, and here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty nice. Does have this dividers, these shelves that could be made into one. It's pretty cool. We do have a spare tire here, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Stop it. Quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread, 5/32. This door looks good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents back here. Door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is at 6/32. It's a 5/32. Looks pretty good. Car looks good. Lights are on. Things are working. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV model with 21,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.